Everyone, today I'll be reviewing the absolute solution for pimple problem. As you can see that I've used multiple packs of these pimple patches. These are the pimple patches by Urban Yoga, the acne pimple patch. And if you trust me, these are the absolute solution for your pimples. This was the earlier packaging of the Urban Yoga. This was the smaller packaging and this is the bigger packaging. Just the difference that has been changed is the size of the product. It opens in such a way, it has this kind of a packaging, and it includes this kind of an inner packaging, and after that it has these kind of two pimple patches, of course in the separate packaging. These are the sizes of pimple patch. As you can see, you can compare it with my nail and see what is the size of the pimple patch. This is what I have taken out mistakenly, and these are one of the best hydrocolloid patches you'll get in the market. These have been reducing the inflammation on my acne and absolutely the size of my acne. And the most important thing that I like about these patches is they do not leave any scar on my face, and also I can wear them under my makeup. And these are very fantastic patches. Also, I've used multiple patches like these Nykaa ones also. These are very sheety patches. Like this this pimple patch has the sheet, right? इसका जो पिंपल पैच है that also looks like the sheet only. So it is very sheety and very plasticky. If you apply makeup or something on these Nykaa patches, वो immediately निकल आता है. But this Urban Yoga do not feel like that. This is absolutely matte patch. This is very matte patch, and in person also you cannot see these patches so easily. These blend with your complexion and your skin tone very easily, and these patches are absolutely amazing. I'll be linking down the packet. I'll be linking down the product, and if you want you can check it from there. And also these have a very long expiry, and these retail for rupees 349, but you will always find it on discount on Myntra, Nykaa, and Amazon and all. I'll be linking the product. Thank you for watching the review. Keep subscribing, liking and sharing. Thank you so much.